Kikubor kibabnia. Haka Mang Tyngka jongka Sorkar Pdeng 8,000 ka Menteri Katanat Tyngka ka Nirmala Sitharaman. Kala kedau ya kilat kilenti ban kentiu ya ka yok kam yok jam kham tam lingba ka kam jingok kai perthai. Kacing ya trilang bat ki samla bat kacing kershan ya ki nongrep bat ki long kemi. Kicing terwa bakongsan ki kenthop ban kentiu ya ki sanpau tali ki caka jingok kai perthai ban penyok ram na ka mudra na ka benta ki yang basa ban penya ri kacing penyo internet cheki skol nong kendong bat ban penbuan ya kapisa na kabenta ki skim ai jingbam taymen ka Sorkar ka thmuru ban seng sanpau hajar tali ki atal tinkering lab ban kentiu ki kot puli hakiktian ka India bat ban bu arspa tali ki daycare cancer center haki hospital district ha usnem 8,000 riu. Nalor kata, kani kerukom siu khajana ka bathamai, kan pelait khajana ki briu ki bakamai, hadu khat arlak Tyngka ke chisnem, ka balong ke jingarap ka bakrau ya ki briu patba.
For employment-led growth, top 50 tourist destination sites in the country will be developed in partnership with states through a challenge mode. Land for building key infrastructure will have to be provided by the states. Hotels in these destinations will be included in the infrastructure harmonized list. Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 program provides nutritional support to more than 8 crore children. 1 crore pregnant women and lactating mothers all over the country, and about 20 lakh adolescent girls in aspirational districts and the Northeast region. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
Unong yalam kaseng Congress uba Ronnie Wheelingdo